What is up everybody, my name is Rahul and in this CTF challenge what we'll be doing is we'll be solving a web category challenge. The name of the challenge is another calculator for 100 points. So it says that I'm learning PHP, so I built a calculator to help me evaluate simple formulas. Now we have been provided with the flag format and this is the link to the challenge. Now here what I did here was I just typed in simple things and you'll see that you get the answer right over here. But what I found quite confusing was that you'll see that this is a get request. Now generally what happens in these cases that it is a post request, but anyways I thought that how was it that it was calculating 1 plus 2 without sending in the parameters that I passed in. Now you'll see that this is a get request, and if I were to see, this is the parameter MSSY. So if I were to type in echo, you'll see that it is 1 plus 2. So it is being sent as a get request. So the next thing that I tried is I typed in simple command ls. The reason being that I wanted to see what the error it throwed me back, because sometimes it'll give you the function that was being used, and this is exactly what happened. So it says that use of undefined constant ls, assumed ls, this will throw an error in the future version of PHP. This is the name of the file and this is the function being used, eval function. Now if I were to type in eval PHP, you will see that PHP itself says that it is not to be used because it allows the execution of arbitrary PHP code. Now this is the hint that I needed. Now what you could do is either you could type in system ls, you'll see that you get the flag files right away, or you could also try system exec. But in this case it is not working. I do not know why, but it was working a moment ago. But let's continue with this. So system tag a, you'll see that we do not get the flag anywhere over here. What I did was I read the contents of index.php. So but let me just show it to you more index.php. There is a reason why I'm using more index.php and you will know about it in a moment. The reason I'm using it is because the author of the challenge has blocked, or it's called blacklisting, I think, the use of cat, tag or file in this case. So we don't have access to these. So I typed in more. I could also use the echo, but for some reason it did not give me anything back. As you can see, there's nothing that we get back. But let's just move on with this system. So we do not get the flag over there. So I went to the home directory. So you can see here that you will get something called flag. So, and I think it is a directory. So let's just type in more flag to see what it is, and you see that we get the flag right away. So thank you guys, this is it for the video.